Welcome back to Finance Shares. When analyzing a stock's dividend, there are several factors to consider. Here are some key steps to analyze a stock's dividend. Understand the dividend yield. The dividend yield is a ratio that indicates the annual dividend payout as a percentage of the stock's current price. It helps determine how much income the dividend provides relative to the stock's price. A higher dividend yield may be attractive, but it's important to consider the sustainability and growth potential of the dividend as well. Examine the dividend history. Review the company's dividend history to understand its track record of paying dividends. Look for consistent or increasing dividend payments over time. A stable or growing dividend indicates a financially healthy company. Assess the dividend payout ratio. The dividend payout ratio is the percentage of earnings that a company pays out as dividends. A lower payout ratio suggests that the company retains more earnings for growth and has room to increase dividends in the future. However, an extremely low payout ratio may indicate a lack of confidence in the company's prospects. Evaluate the company's financial health. Analyze the company's financial statements, including its income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Look for stable or growing revenue, healthy profit margins, manageable debt levels, and strong cash flow generation. A financially sound company is more likely to sustain and increase dividend payments. Consider the industry and economic factors. Assess the industry in which the company operates and the overall economic conditions. Industries with stable cash flows and predictable earnings tend to be more reliable dividend payers. Economic downturns or industry-specific challenges can impact a company's ability to maintain dividends. Research the company's future prospects. Evaluate the company's growth prospects, competitive position, and ability to generate sustainable earnings. A company with solid growth potential is more likely to increase its dividend payments over time. Compare with peers. Compare the stock's dividend yield, dividend history, and payout ratio with other companies in the same industry. This comparison can provide insights into whether the company's dividend is competitive or if it lags behind its peers. Remember that analyzing dividends is just one aspect of evaluating a stock. It's important to consider the overall investment thesis, including factors like valuation, management quality, and future growth prospects, before making an investment decision. Additionally, consulting with a financial advisor or conducting further research can provide more in-depth analysis tailored to your specific investment goals and risk tolerance.